The leaves are falling, skies are blue. It's Thanksgiving Day with much to do. Mia wakes up with a happy cheer. It's the coziest day of the year. Daddy's in the kitchen flipping pies with flour on his nose, oh what a surprise. Mommy stirred soup in a big round pot. Sing a song, stir it nice and hot. Grandma's knitting by the fire's glow, telling old stories nice and slow. Grandpa laughs with a hearty grin while peeling potatoes and tossing them in. Big brother sets the table just right, plates and napkins, forks so bright. Baby sister claps and plays, giggling through the sunny rays. The turkey roast with a yummy smell, cornbread, beans, and pumpkin as well. Cranberry jelly shaped like a can, passed down by Auntie and Uncle Dan. The cousins arrive with games and fun. They race outside in the autumn sun. They jump in leaves, throw them high, and chase the wind as it whispers by. Then everyone gathers, it's time to eat, with thankful hearts and tasty treats. They hold hands tight and say out loud, we're thankful for this loving crowd. With tummies full and cheeks so round, they laugh and snuggle all curled down. Stories, cuddles, pumpkin pie, Thanksgiving magic beneath the sky.